Hello friends, here we are going to discuss about guided transmission media in computer networks. A transmission media is a physical path between the transmitter and the receiver. That is, it is the channel through which data is sent from one place to another. Transmission media is broadly classified into two types: guided transmission media and guided transmission media. Guided transmission media is also known as wired transmission medium, and unguided transmission is also known as wireless medium. Guided transmission media. The transmitted data travels through cabling system that has a fixed path. Its features are: it has high speed, it is secure, it is used for comparatively shorter distance. It depends on the distance and the type of medium. There are three types of transmission media. They are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, optical fiber cable. Twisted pair cable. Copper wires are the most common wires used for transmitting signals because of good performance at low cost. They are most commonly used in telephone lines. It consists of two insulated copper wires. It is arranged in regular spiral pattern. Diameter is about 0.4 to 0.9 mm. Its twist length is 5 to 15 cm. For long distance communication, cable contain 100 of pairs. There are two types of twisted pair cables: shielded twisted pair and unshielded twisted pair. Its application are: it is used in telephone system and also used within a building for LAN. Transmission characteristics. Used in both analog and digital transmission, the twisted pair is limited in distance and bandwidth. It is susceptible to interference and noise. Twist length in adjacent pairs reduces crosstalk. Now let us discuss about coaxial cable. It consists of inner conductor, dielectric insulator, shield and outer insulation. Inner conductor is made from material. Diameter of coaxial cable is 1 to 2.5 cm. It is used for distance communication. It carries high frequency range signals. Its application are: it is used in television distribution, long distance telephone transmission and local area network, that is LAN. Its transmission characteristics are: it transmits both the analog and digital signals like twisted pair cable. Amplifier and repeaters are required for both long distance transmission, less susceptible to interference and crosstalk. Optical fiber cable. Its physical description: it consists of three sections. They are core, cladding, jacket. Core. The optical fiber consists of a narrow strand of glass or plastic known as core. A core is a light transmission area of the fiber. The more the area of the core, the more light will be transmitted into the fiber. Cladding. The concentric layer of glass is known as cladding. The main functionality of cladding is to provide the lower refractive index at the core interface as to cause the reflection within the core so that the waves are transmitted through the fiber. Jacket. The protective coating consists of plastic is known as jacket. The main purpose of a jacket is to preserve the fiber length, absorb shock and extra fiber protection. Its application are: it is used in light guides, imaging tools, used for data transmission. Fiber is light and used for transmitting and receiving purpose. Its industrial use: it is used for imaging in hard to reach areas. Transmission characteristics of fiber optic cable. It has greater bandwidth. It provides more bandwidth as compared to copper and carries more data. It has faster speed. That is, it carries the data in the form of light, and this allows the fiber optic cable to carry the signals at higher speeds, longer distance. The fiber optic cable carries the data at the longer distance as compared to copper cable. It has better reliability. The fiber optic cable is more reliable than the copper cable as it is immune at any temperature changes. Thinner and lighter. Fiber optic cable is thinner and lighter in a way, so it can withstand more pull pressure than the copper cable. Comparison of three cables. Twisted pair cable. It is low cost, best for short distance, that is 330 feet, easy to install, and has low security and low resistance to interference. Coaxial cable. It is moderate cost and travels in moderate distance. It is professional installation and has average security. It is moderate resistance to interference. Fiber optic cables. It is high cost. It travels in long distance. It is professional in installation. It has high security and it has very high resistance to interference. Thank you.